What's up, Gunpla modelers? This is Strider Prime bringing you a new edition of Gundam Models. Today I'm going to build this little kit right here. This is one of the, of course, Haropla kits, and it's the Haropla Zakrello Haro from, of course, the depicting the that weird mobile armor that was from the 1-year war. I think it's about time Bandai start making high grades of these type of mobile armor kits from the original series. I mean, we've already seen a few here and there, and now that they're making like mobile armors or half armors or power, or like the narrative APAC, like the meteor unit, and like the Dendrobian, they should make these guys as well. So I think it's about time we should see an updated version of this. That's my 2 cents for that. But right now we're going to make this little kit here, and I got this, of course, from Gundam Planet, retailing around $5 or so. It's pretty cute, of course, using the Haro ball, but then instead of I don't know if it contains the same parts as before, but we're going to test this out. To build it right here. I also have the Haro, this one, the Haro ball, you could say, but I haven't built that yet. It's in storage. Let's see how this looks. I can see right now that the kit already contains parts to make it the normal Haro, or the Haro, the Zakrello. I have to say it's Zakrello. I should be Zakrello, I guess, yeah. I was asked if I was going to get the big Haro ball, the big one. I was thinking to myself, nah, that doesn't pique my interest at this moment. Alright, so we have the frame here, which we can remove. It's cool now that I have a little garbage pan nearby where I can throw my garbage away. So, nice to have that. A2. Wait a minute, it's A211s, so it's these guys right here. This one, this one, this one, and this one. I'm gonna remember this, so that goes there. Goes here. Goes here. And that one goes there. Alright. There's the eyeballs right there. This one goes here. I remember this one goes this way. That one goes there, and that one goes here. And then we'll need the back, which is this one right here. Put him here. I might as well take this one out also as well. And just so goes there, and this one goes there. Nice, very nice. Now we need 8 to 9, 10, and 9. So the 2 9s. That one goes there, that one goes there. And then a 10 ski goes on top here. I wonder if I'm doing this right. It seems like I'm doing it right. Now you know what? Because I think this one's not all the way in. There we go. And that one goes around. Then we need this one and this one, this one and this one. Might as well take you out as well. Actually, no. Sorry, leave it there for a second. Then we need, that one goes here. Here. And then we seal this up. And it's kind of cool. Blue eyes. Nice. I like that. Haro, Haro. Alright, so that makes the Haro, but now we gotta make it the Zaku-rillo Haro. And for that, we'll need these two parts here. That, give me that. Put these parts here. And then there is a sticker to put there, but I'm not going to do that, of course. I'll take this and this, put one through here, the clear poly cap. Put that one there, the other clear poly cap, and make sure it faces this way. So now it has a sled type setup. Look at that. Now the fun part, the blades. I'm definitely going to be using this Haropla as a test bed for painting. So we need this. Then what number do I need for this? Number 4. No. This one. So number 4 for that. So it's a shortened version. Okay. And then we have this one. Actually, it doesn't matter what position this is. Make sure you put the claws that way. Then we get the claws that one here. And then I guess you gotta bring it like this. Then put that like this. Interesting. It has to be that way. You know, it's short. I could pretty much use the long ones. So why not the long ones? Oh, because the long one... You know what? I'm going to use the long one. Let me remember this. I'm not too fond of that. think it's too shorty. So let's just take these two off. And then I might as well use these two on this. Oh, that's the reason why. This thing is too... oh, that's right. That's for the feet. Even though that will fit that. This... no. So, yeah. You know what? Alright, so my goof. No big deal. It's not that I did anything wrong. Just not fond of how this is. But we're whatever. Whatevs. There we go. Yeah. And then we have this that goes here. And then this that goes here. There you have it. The Haro, the the Zaku-rillo Haro is now complete. It's like I want to gut you up. Come here. It's fun. You know? It's pretty cute for this. Let me bring this down a bit so you guys can see. Alright, so there it is. It's a nice little display piece, of course. You can paint it to whatever you wish. Give it a different look to it. Obviously you can customize it if you have the right parts, like what I did with my custom Haro last year. And to show you how big it is, here it is next to a Ming Tiger Tank. Ooh, you know what? I'm going to have some fun with this. Hang on a second. Take this off. Take you off. Not bad. I guess if I had the cannon, like the two arm cannons here, that would be great. But that's perfect. I love it. Alright, well, that's not the purpose of this video, but it is a fun kit to build. It's very cheap, it's very easy to build, and you know, if you have children, they'll definitely, if you have young ones, they'll definitely like it, or you can do this for customization whatsoever. If you guys want to purchase this, I'll put a link below to Gundam Planet. You'll get 10% off. Get them while supplies last, and thank you Gundam Planet for having this kit on your shelf. With that being said, I'd like to thank you guys all for watching, and stay tuned for more Gundam models yet to come. You guys all have a great day.